Hey everyone, welcome back to Mommy and Mohammed's Discovery Den. Today we are doing something peaceful and fun. I'll show you a simple DIY planting idea. How you can turn your outdoor space into something beautiful and unique, even on a low budget. Do you also love planting like I do? It's something that relaxes me and takes away all the tiredness. Yes, it takes a little effort at first, but once it's done, just wow! Sitting with a cup of your favorite coffee or tea, enjoying the view of your plants, with the sunrise or sunset and fresh air all around. And those blooming colors, it feels like magic. So let's start and bring life to your space, one plant at a time. Here, I was arranging all my flowers by color, deciding which ones to place on the top and which ones in the lower empty spaces. I was really enjoying this part. It felt so relaxing and fun. I was so excited to see how the final look would turn out. You know, when you truly enjoy what you're doing, even the hard work feels alive and full of joy. So now, I thought I'd show you the space where all this planting will happen. Right now, it looks a bit plain and colorless, but just wait. We're going to turn it into a space full of life, colors, and joy. Let's bring this dull corner to life, one plant at a time. At first, I thought about using this piece of corkboard for planting. But then I realized it was a bit too time-consuming and required a lot of effort. So I decided why not to go for something easier. Something that takes less energy but still gives you amazing results. Sometimes simple ideas work best and save your time too. I absolutely love lavender. It's one of my all-time favorites. What about you? Don't forget to share your favorite flower with me in the comments. I'd love to know. Here I was checking which flower should go where, deciding the height, colors, and textures. Which ones to place in the front and which ones look better in the back. It's like building a little garden puzzle, and I'm loving every second of it. And then Mohammed joined me. He started helping me sort the flowers, matching colors, and placing them in the right spot. It was such a sweet moment. Doing this little project together made it even more special. Mohammed helped me for a while with the flowers, but later on he went off to play with his cousins. I thought that's okay, let him enjoy. We're on vacation now because once school starts, the routine changes completely. And Muhammad really misses his cousins a lot during that time. Now I'm adding little bright flowers. Their colors really pop and bring so much life to the garden. I love how the soft lavender pairs perfectly with these vibrant greens and pops of color. Such a fresh and calming combo. I just love it. Wow! thought I'd show you a little close-up of the work done so far. Honestly, I'm already loving how it's coming together. It's amazing how a few flowers and colors can completely change a space. Ta-da! Placing these stones was so much fun. I wished this moment could just freeze in time. It looked amazing and I couldn't stop imagining myself sitting nearby enjoying my coffee. Oh, I had almost finished working on the upper area and now it was time to move on to the lower part. Can't wait to see how everything comes together. Personally, I really love the red and yellow combo. It feels so bright and cheerful. But I would love to hear what you think. So please share your favorite color combos in the comments. Sometimes hearing other people's ideas can really help us try something new. It's not always about what we think is best. Sometimes we can get great inspiration from others, especially if it fits our own situation. Wow, just loving it. Hey, finally, we're almost done with our project. I really hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you try this DIY yourself. See you in the next video.